Welcome, fellow dreamers and financial enthusiasts, to this exciting exploration of passive income strategies that can make your dreams a reality. Imagine a life where money isn't a worry, where you have the freedom to pursue your passions without being chained to a 9-to-5 job. Well, that's where passive income comes into play. And today, we're delving deep into the wisdom of the renowned author, Robert Kiyosaki. But first, let me ask you this. Are you ready to learn how to earn money while you sleep, travel, or spend quality time with loved ones? If so, stay tuned, because Robert Kiyosaki, the mastermind behind Rich Dad Poor Dad and a seasoned financial educator, is about to reveal his latest insights and top 6 recommendations for cash-flowing investments in 2023. But before we jump into these golden opportunities, let's get on the same page about what passive income truly means. Passive income, or cash flow, is money that flows into your pocket without requiring you to actively work for it. It's the ultimate financial freedom. Kiyosaki aptly describes it as income that bypasses taxes. Why is passive income so crucial, you might ask? Well, here's the deal. Passive income allows you to build wealth and achieve financial freedom. Kiyosaki emphasizes that it's the secret sauce to creating riches and escaping the shackles of a traditional job. In his latest book, The Capitalist Code, he underscores the significance of cultivating multiple streams of passive income rather than relying solely on your job. And now, let's dive into the main course, the top 6 cash-flowing assets for 2023. Each of these strategies has the potential to bolster your passive income, so pay close attention. Asset number 1 is real estate, and it's a heavyweight in the world of passive income. It offers a dual benefit of providing a consistent revenue stream while steadily growing your wealth. Kiyosaki's endorsement extends to various facets of real estate, including rental properties, commercial real estate, and real estate investment trusts. REITs. What sets real estate apart is its tangibility. You can see and touch your investments, making them more reliable. However, what truly ignites enthusiasm is the strategic use of debt to turbocharge your real estate ventures. This entails borrowing funds to acquire income-generating properties. The idea is that the rental income from these properties should ideally exceed the costs of servicing the debt, leading to positive cash flow and, ultimately, substantial returns. It's a powerful concept that aligns with Kiyosaki's philosophy of achieving financial success through passive income sources like real estate. Next up is asset number 2, dividend stocks. Investing in dividend stocks is a reliable strategy for generating passive income. These stocks offer a share of a company's profits to shareholders in the form of dividends, making them a favorite of financial guru Robert Kiyosaki. The beauty of dividend stocks lies in their ability to provide a consistent income stream without the need to sell your shares. To succeed in this strategy, prioritize high-quality dividend-paying stocks. These are typically companies with strong financials and a history of consistent dividend payments. By holding on to these investments, you can enjoy a steady flow of income over time, making dividend stocks a valuable addition to your investment portfolio. Asset number 3 is businesses that generate passive income. For those with an entrepreneurial drive, creating a scalable business that operates efficiently with minimal ongoing effort can be highly rewarding. Consider digital products like ebooks or online courses, which can be sold repeatedly without substantial ongoing work. These assets enable you to leverage your expertise and reach a wide audience, yielding passive income as customers purchase your products. If active entrepreneurship isn't your preference, you can opt to become a passive investor in existing businesses. This involves investing capital into ventures managed by others, allowing you to enjoy a share of the profits without getting involved in daily operations. It's a hands-off approach to wealth accumulation, where you let skilled entrepreneurs do the work while you reap the benefits. Whether you choose to create your own passive income business or invest in existing ones, This asset class offers opportunities for financial growth and security. Asset number 4 in your wealth building toolkit is intellectual property, IP. This encompasses valuable ideas, inventions, or creative works that you can legally protect, including patents, trademarks, copyrights, and trade secrets. IP can become a powerful source of passive income. One way to harness the potential of IP is by licensing it to others. This means granting permission to individuals or companies to use your IP in exchange for royalties or fees. For example, if you hold a patent for a unique product, you can allow other businesses to manufacture and sell it, earning a portion of their sales as passive income. Another option is franchising, where you grant others the right to replicate your successful business model using your IP in exchange for ongoing fees or a share of their profits. Whether it's a patented invention, a copyrighted book, or a trademarked brand, properly managed IP can generate income while requiring minimal ongoing effort, making it a valuable asset for building wealth. Asset number 5 in your financial toolkit is peer-to-peer, P2P, lending. This modern approach connects investors directly with borrowers through online platforms, offering a unique opportunity to earn passive income. As an investor, you can lend money to individuals or small businesses, and in return, you receive regular interest payments. P2P lending stands out because it typically provides higher returns compared to traditional savings accounts or bonds. It allows you to diversify your investment portfolio while enjoying consistent income. These platforms often have various risk levels and lending terms, enabling you to tailor your investments to your risk tolerance and financial goals. While P2P lending offers the potential for attractive returns, it's essential to do your due diligence and carefully assess the risk associated with each borrower. However, when managed wisely, P2P lending can be a valuable asset for generating passive income and growing your wealth over time. Last but not least, asset number 6 is annuities, an ideal choice if you seek financial security in retirement. Annuities are contracts with insurance companies that provide regular payouts in exchange for your payments. Immediate annuities start payments right away, while deferred annuities kick in later, often during retirement. Variable annuities offer growth potential but come with more risk. They provide a predictable income stream, mitigating the fear of outliving your retirement savings. In conclusion, the path to financial freedom and realizing your dreams hinges on establishing passive income streams. Achieving this goal involves diversifying your investment portfolio with assets that generate consistent cash flow, as discussed earlier. However, the critical factor is diligent research and seeking guidance from financial advisors. Careful consideration of each asset type's risk and return potential is essential. By strategically building a portfolio of these income-generating assets, you can secure your financial future and unlock the life you've always aspired to live, free from the constraints of financial worries. It's a journey that requires thoughtful planning and expert advice, but the rewards are well worth the effort.